and the Best Actress Award.
Anim ang magagaling na naglalaban-laban sa Best Actor sa taong ito. Everyone showed their gifts in their acting performances, but who will be the 73rd famous Best Actor?
Alamin natin, because here are the nominees for Best Actor.
The nominees for Best Actor: Arjo Atayde for Topak, Alden Richards for Hello, Love Again.
Kapunas lang ng buwan. Kung yan ang gusto mong gawin, sige. Joy, I am more than this.
Dennis Carrillo for Rainbows.
Court finds Domingo Zamora guilty of the murder of his sister Joanna Zamora.
Vice Ganda for Andy Breadwinner Elise.
Huwag mo na kayong magugutom ha! Huwag mo na kayong kakain kasi pagod ako magpapahinga lang kahit sandali.
Aga Mula for Uninvited.
National, dahil kong bisita.
Kelvin Miranda for Chances Are You and I.
For Best Actor, we have a tie. Do you have anyone guess? Could you please shout who your guests? Sino po? Ano Max? Babasahin naman natin po kasi sila mag-cheer para sa atin.
I think we should go ahead and do it.
Huh? Sino? Okay. For the famous Best Actor.
Arjo Atayde, Topak.
Congratulations, Arjo.
Wala po siguro masasanay sa ganito. Kinakabahan ako ng sobra, nahihiyak. Meron lang pong hinandang kodigo para walang makalimutan, just in case. Una po sa lahat, sa FAMAS, maraming salamat for the recognition. Sa pagbibigay pansin sa aming kakayahan sa lahat po ng ginawa namin sa Topak. Sa mga sundalo po, sa pagbibigay inspirasyon para magawa itong storya na to. Hindi lahat na may topak naman eh. We are all unique in our own ways. Most of the time misunderstood. To anyone and to everyone who is experiencing mental health issues, know that you are loved and you are never alone. To our three producers, Nathan Studios, Todogs, and Fusey Media, thank you for believing in me. To Direk Richard, maraming salamat. The captain of the ship, and po si Direk, maraming salamat, Direk. We don't work for this, but we work to tell a good story, and this is what happened. To my co-actors, of course, Julia, Sid, to the whole gang, maraming salamat. Thank you for making our lives easier on the set. To my parents, I love you so much. And of course, to my wife, thank you, Baba. I love you. Thank you for supporting me always. And just a short message. This award will serve not just a source of this award will serve as another source of inspiration for me to do better every time I face a new chapter. And may everyone in this pavilion continue to be soldiers of the industry. Huwag po tayong magsawang bigyang kulay pa, inspirasyon at direksyon ang ating industriya. Patuloy po natin suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. Sa FAMAS po, maraming salamat and may everyone have a good evening. Salamat po.
Congratulations, Arthur Aide for TOPA Best Actor FAMAS. Pero, as I've said, dalawa po ang panalo ng Best Actor. Ganyan